Students, in today video lecture we will discuss how to solve a numerical based on rate law, and by changing the concentration of reacting species, and some rate law is there, and with the help of new rate law how we will find that rate will gonna affect, or how would be rate of reaction changes when we are doing something then original value, right? So in this question the rate law for a reaction is kitna, rate equal to K A B C square, and square bracket represent molar concentration. Okay, it is given in question. And one more thing, don't bother about what is reaction, just think about or just focus on rate law. Rate law means what? Rate law means rate will be there, rate constant will be there, and reacting species will be in square bracket. That means it is representing molar concentration of reactant. Okay, it is fixed. It can be vary by vary to the question to question, or it can be anything, but just think about rate law. Okay, so how would be rate of reaction changes when we are changing the concentration with respect to, suppose I am increasing concentration of C 2 times, means concentration of C is doubled. In next question concentration of A is reduced to half, and in next question concentration of both A and C are doubled, and in last question if I am tripling the concentration of A, B and C, all reacting species. So how would be rate will affect in further cases? Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have to do like original rate law. You have to mention original rate law means R equal to K A B C and square in square bracket, right? So first we are solving concentration of C is double, so rate what will be na new rate. Okay, and how rate will affect, kitna time rate will increase or decrease. तो R equal to K A B C square कहाँ से आया? क्वेश्चन से आया, right? And R dash equal to K A B 2C square, इक्वेशन नंबर 2, ये कहाँ से आया? It comes from again question, means but I did nothing, I did frame statemental wording in rate law. मैंने क्या किया, स्टेटमेंट को रेट लॉ में चेंज कर दिया. concentration of C is double. देखिए R equal to K A B C, don't think about A B, think about C. Here we have to doubling, or we have to double the concentration of C, right? So it is equation number 2. Now what you have to, what is your duty? Just divide equation number 2 by 1. So R dash by R, R dash new rate, R original rate or rate law. So K divide by K, AB 2C square and AB C square. By solving you can cancel all AB and K, and next C term will cancel, or square something C square will cancel, and here 2 square is kitna, 4. So R dash by R equal to 4 by 1. So R dash equal to kitna, R dash equal to 4R. What it's mean? It's mean the new rate is 4 times increased than previous rate, means rate will increase 4 times, right? Suppose in next part of the question, in second part, if I will reduce concentration of A to half, if I will reduce concentration of A, suppose I can write here, we can here C, we can mention not A, it is C, right? तो concentration of C is reduced to half. देखिए तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, R dash न्यू रेट क्या हो जाए, ओरिजिनल रेट क्या है, R इक्वल टू के ए बी सी स्क्वायर. न्यू रेट क्या हो जाएगा, R dash इक्वल टू के ए बी एंड सी का हाफ. यू कैन राइट A by 2, यू कैन राइट B by 2, फॉर विथ रिस्पेक्ट जिसके लिए भी ही इज आस्किंग यू कैन डिजाइन न्यू. ओके, तो R dash इक्वल टू के ए बी सी बाई 2 स्क्वायर. वाई C by 2 स्क्वायर? बिकॉज वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ C रिड्यूस टू हाफ. ओके, तो 3 by 1, 3 मीन्स न्यू वन and 1 means original जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है. That means 3 by 1 equal to R dash by R K A B C by 2 square and C square. Again all term will cancel, C square, and here it is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 का square 1 by 4. So R dash equal to R, it is equal to 1 by 4, or further we can write R dash equal to R by 4, means what, the new rate will be 4 times less or 4 times decreased than previous. So in this case, what will be our wording? Rate will decrease for time. Okay, if we will reduce to its concentration to half. In next question, concentration of both A and C is doubled. So again you have to write equation 1, R equal to K A B C square. Okay, but what is R dash? What is R dash? R dash means statemental changes when we are doing something, or we want to do new, we want to frame new rate law. Okay, so R dash equal to kitna? K 2A B 2C square. Why 2A and 2C square? Because here it is mentioned concentration of both A and C are double. And again it is R dash. When we are going to divide R dash by R, equation 4 by 1, we will get, देखिए, here 2, here 2 का square 4. Okay, and rest thing will cancel. 4 into 2 8. So new rate will increase 8 time to previous one. Okay ना, correct यहाँ तक. Now next, fourth, concentration of each A, B and C are tripled. Suppose देखिए R dash equal to K 3A 3B 3C. As per requirement of question, you have to design new rate law, and this new rate law further will divide by previous one, A B C का square. What is given in the question? देखिए R equal to K A B C square. So here I did division among R dash and R. R dash is new rate law, 3A 3B 3C, and A B C square is previous one. When we will cancel all respective term, we will get 3 and 3 का square 9, means 81. So new rate R dash upon R equal to 81 by 1, or R dash will greater than 81 time of R. That means rate will increase kitna time? 81 times. So dear students, it is very simple question, and we can expect for this year one question from this type or this pattern can be asked in your exam. Okay, so very polite way, you have to solve. Number 1, just focus on original rate law, and number 2, divide as per divide or not design as per question requirement new rate law, and that new rate law must be divided by previous one, so that you will get exact answer of your question. So it is very easy task, very easy question, very easy concept. You can directly solve, you can achieve your answer, you can achieve your desire with the help of such thing, and it is very easy concept. I explain in very simple manner. Further, if you can face any doubt, you can contact me directly, I will help you. Okay, so till here it's done. It's about rate law question. In next video lecture we will talk about zero order, first order, and their half-life based question. So thank you very much.